Hello everyone, my name is Mozis, and in today's video, we will discuss the faculties at Universitas Kristen Indonesia. There are 8 faculties in Universitas Kristen Indonesia, but for today's video, we will talk about the Faculty of Literature and Languages, the Faculty of Teacher, Training and Education, and the Faculty of Social and Political Science. The first faculty we will talk about is the Faculty of Literature and Languages. In this faculty, there are 3 study programs: English Literature, English Language Education, and Mandarin Language Education. In this faculty, there are many facilities that can be used. The first one is the Culture Corner Room. In this room, many musical instruments can be used to express your hobby. Next is the Self-Access Room. This room is used by students for various activities, for example, HMPS or Senate meetings, extracurricular activities, and many more. Down the hallway, we will pass the Secretary's Room, and in front of it is the Lecturer's Room. Next to the Lecturer Room is the UPT Language Service Center or UPT PPBUK. This center is where you can consult with experts about your English skills. Continuing, next to that is the Studio Room, where usually they will record a podcast in this room. And next is where the classroom is for lecturing. There are 3 classrooms. In front of the classrooms, there is a computing laboratory. Many computers can be used by the students in this laboratory. Lastly, there is the Sastrapreneur Spaceship Room. Our next faculty is the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. There are 6 study programs, which are Guidance and Counseling Study Program, Christian Religious Education Study Program, Mathematics Education Study Program, Biology Education Study Program, Chemistry Education Study Program, and Physics Education Study Program. In the hallway of this faculty, there are many facilities for students. For example, the Mathematics Laboratory, Biology Laboratory, Chemistry Laboratory, and Physics Laboratory. In the 3rd floor of the building, there are 2 multifunction rooms available. There is the Aula Room, which is the bigger room of the 2, and there is the Seminar Room, smaller but still spacious. Our last faculty of the day is the Faculty of Social and Political Science. In this faculty, there are 3 study programs. First one is International Relations Science, Communication Science, and Political Science. In this faculty, there is a Communication Science Laboratory, and after that, there are many classrooms in this faculty's hallway. Sometimes, even the student from another faculty will borrow one of the classrooms because the faculty they are from is fully occupied. Additional facilities in the campus, there is also a Lembaga Pengembangan Kepribadian dan Karakter Service or LPKK. In this place, you can have guidance and counseling meetings with psychiatrists, meetings with psychologists, and also pastoral counseling. With their service, They can help you in keeping your mental health and personality and character development. Hopefully, this video can be useful for you in choosing a faculty in Universitas Kristen Indonesia and can also be entertaining for those who are watching this video. I apologize if there is a mistake and thank you for watching.